welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. I am super excited, y'all. As you can see from the description below, today we have a new subscription, but not just one, two. They're actually sister companies, so they're kind of under the same. And that is the WristBabe, which is right here, and CharmBabe. These are awesome, and I'm so excited to be able to have the opportunity to review both of these. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about each one, and then we'll get into unboxing. But first, just to remind you guys, I do have an active giveaway going on right now, and it is in my Disney Villains ColourPop video. If you would go over and check that out, you'll see the rules on how to enter. It is for the Show Me Your Moo Moo Brie robe from FabFitFun and a brand new Michael Kors wallet. That giveaway does end on the 18th, so you do still have some time to get entered. So, a little bit about WristBabe. We'll start with that one. I want to make sure I read everything to you correctly. So WristBabe, actually, there are two different plans. You can do, it is a beautiful watch every month for $29, a bracelet for $12, or you could get both for $36. So you can get the bracelet and the watch for $36. And like I said, or if you wanted to just do the bracelet, that is $12, or just the watch is $29. It is free shipping, so that is awesome. And it says, every month you get a gorgeous watch that's yours to keep for only $29, a bracelet for $12, or both for $36. Our fashionistas use your style profile to send you personalized pics you're bound to love. We partner with dozens of watchmakers around the world and elevate hundreds of designs to bring you on-trend styles you won't find in stores. And it says it's 50% off retail pricing. It's obviously, you're keeping all of this. This is not a rental type jewelry subscription where they send you something and then you have to send it back or pay extra. So that is really awesome. I will make sure to put a link down below for both WristBabe and CharmBabe. Now, CharmBabe is a subscription that is, it's Pandora style charms sent to you every month. Plans do start at $17.99, and it is, let's see, these gorgeous charms rival Pandora in style and beauty. Each month you receive 2 charms, 1 bead, and 1 dangle. With your very first box, you also get a silver-plated startup bracelet. Every few months, you'll find additional bracelets in your subscription box, so you have a variety of bracelet colors for your CharmBabe collection. It's 100% stainless steel, it's not stainless steel, sterling silver, sorry. And then, like I said, it is 1 bead and 1 charm and 1 dangle charm each month, and then a starter bracelet with your first box. And like I said, plans do start at $17.99. That could vary, again, based on month to month, or if you prepay for like a 3-month, 6-month subscription. So let's get to unboxing. So we're going to do the WristBabe first. This box is super cute. Like flowers. So, and it looks like if you want to get social, you can do @WristBabe for Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And their direct website is wristbabe.com. These did come together in like an outer packing envelope. I just took them out of that. But let's see. Oh, y'all, okay, so presentation is great. That is so pretty. So they sent me a watch and a bracelet. That's so cute on this like little pillow. Adorable. I love the pink squigglies. This is so cute. Okay, so here is the bracelet to start. Very pretty. And it is stretchy, so you can just slide it on. It actually goes with what I'm wearing, which is perfect. And then the watch, you guys. Is that not just so gorgeous? So it is a leather band And it does say genuine leather in here. But that is just so pretty. I love how it's the like rose gold, but it's so simple, but yet so it keeps reflecting. It's got the sparkle in there for that little bit of extra oomph. So that is so pretty. I really, really do love that. I think black and rose gold look great together. So I am super excited. And then how cute will it be when you could put the watch on and then layer it here with the bracelet, kind of like it was on the pillow. This little pillow is just cute. Like, it's really cute. So kind of how they had it on here like that kind of would be how it would be on your wrist. So that is super precious. And this, to me, I think with Mother's Day coming up would be a great gift for Mother's Day. Or just to treat yourself, you know, if you're really into watches and bracelets and you like to switch things up with different outfits, this would make a great subscription. So I definitely recommend it. I think both of these are beautiful. So that was the WristBabe. So now we have the CharmBabe. And again, this is the Pandora style, where you receive one beaded charm and one dangle charm each month. And your first box, you're supposed to receive a bracelet with as well. And I know that they do have different sizing on the bracelets. So you open up the little box and this is what we see. Some pretty tissue paper. I am really starting to love the washi tape and just how it makes something that could be so plain, so pretty and not plain. So let's open it up. Oh, wow. Okay, this is so pretty. I do have a Pandora bracelet, so I do know that this, first, because there is a bracelet in here, is almost identical to the style of Pandora bracelet. You have your like clamshell clasp, and then usually like my Pandora bracelet has these same little things right here. That's usually where you can clip some beads. This is very pretty and very shiny, so yay. And then let's see. Oh, okay, so this is the dangle charm and it is beautiful. And I'm a little funny. I think that this is super awesome that they include one bead style charm and one dangle every month, because with my Pandora bracelet, I have a bead style charm and a dangle. Like, I have just as many dangles as I do beads because I like to kind of break it up. Plus with the dangle charms, you can get more because they don't take up as much room on the bracelet. But this one is super adorable. It looks like a little spring flower, so beautiful, and there are little rhinestone crystals in here, so it is just absolutely gorgeous. So there's that guy right there. And then, oh, this one is gorgeous. Okay. And it sort of, I mean, it matches. It works with the other charm. Okay. So it is, again, the bead style. But look, at first I was just seeing like the side, and then I looked and it actually is so beautiful. It has like a little dragonfly and then a little bit of a white flower, and I'm thinking maybe like a little pink butterfly. So that's gonna look so cute with the other white and pink dangle flower charm. That is so beautiful. I'm trying to make it focus better for you guys. That is just absolutely gorgeous. And I think, again, together, that is so pretty. So I will make sure to leave links down below for both CharmBabe and WristBabe. I think that both of these were absolutely amazing. I mean, for $17.99 with, oh, and it came with a cleaning cloth. I didn't even realize that. That's great. You know, you get the bracelet your first month, plus then 2 charms, and then just 2 charms every month. And then the WristBabe is the watch and the bracelet. You have the option to do either or both. So just your preference. I just think both of these were really, really beautiful. If you are new, please do consider hitting subscribe. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And as always, again, please do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and leave a comment down below letting me know your thoughts on the subscription. Do you already get it? Do you think you may get it? What do you think? Just let me know. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you guys with the next video. Bye.